Good morning everyone, it's Kath here. I'm here with a DT project for JunkWithSteph. I've used her handmade paper digital kit that's available in her Etsy shop. This junk journal will be available this afternoon. This is something different that I've done. It's quite a bright junk journal, as you can see. I've been a bit of a negative Nelly of late due to all the coronavirus, one thing and another, and I just wanted to make something that would just brighten everything up, and hopefully I've done that. The journal itself measures 8.5 by 6 inches. It has a 2.5 inch spine, and the open edge measures 5 inches when filled. Whoever buys this journal, they'll find that I will actually take all the ephemera out and put it in a little separate parcel, just to reduce the bulk for postage. Okay, so on the front, a beautiful image here. I've die cut some flowers. I've mounted this onto various different coloured papers, and we've got some die cut leaves here as well. Make sure you can see that all. Beautiful vibrant colours of laces and pom-pom trims, etc. And that's the back. Very bright fabric. It's entirely handmade is the cover. It's made from grey board. Now it has 3 signatures, although slightly different to what I usually do. 2 of the signatures are filled, as you would expect. The 3rd signature, however, I've just made it entirely with hand-dyed papers. All the papers in here that you can see are have all been hand-dyed. Okay, so on to the front. Some ephemera in the front. I would say this is sort of a Mother Nature junk journal. That's the best description I can give it. As I say, I've tried to make it as bright as possible. Just a bit of cheer instead of all the doom and gloom that's about. So there we have some ephemera in the front pocket. This is like a vintage crocheted lace here. Then we've got a beautiful image here. This is a little tuck spot around there, and some lovely gold lace here. This is a fabric pocket that I've made, and it's a tuck spot here with some writing space in there, and just a little tag here. This is a sari silk band, and I've just embellished with various bits of lace, etc. And here there's a little tag there. Everything in this journal you can actually write on, all the papers, etc. A little spot here, tag in there. Most of the tags and journaling cards have all been had the hand-dyed paper put onto them. Some are sewn, some are glued on. Pages there. There's lots of stenciling, stamping. This is a little pocket here. You can get that in there. then here, just undo this ribbon. It's only 6:30 in the morning, so I don't think I've quite woken up yet. There we go, so that's stuck in there. This is put onto the journaling card from the kit. I've actually been missing saying that. So here, this is a beautiful paper by Steph. Really vibrant, and I was really lucky that she allowed me to use it because I wanted something that was vibrant and would tone well with what I had in mind for this journal. So here we have a little booklet there. Again, one of Steph's papers. They print out beautifully. I'll take that off there. Well, I just thought they went so well with the kit. And so I thought, right, I'll use it as my DT project. A little tuck spot there. I love how these pages have turned out. Oh, a beautiful tag there. This is a velvet pocket with various laces added on. Another one of Steph's beautiful pages here. The colours, I just thought they just went so well together. With a little envelope with some writing space in there. And then I've added a little pocket and one of Steph's journaling cards there. A little file here that comes with the kit, a journaling card, a little bit of writing paper there, and this again is a page from the kit. This went in well with the Mother Nature theme. And then here we have a tag that I've covered with various fabrics. It's mounted onto card, is this one. And there's the writing paper there. Again, one of Steph's lovely papers. You can just see how lovely, how much work's gone into these. This is writing pad, various colours as you can see. Again, this is one of Steph's pages. Lovely little image there. I don't know if you've seen the film Moana. I've watched it a lot of times with my granddaughter, but it actually reminds me of that. And this opens out. And I've obviously an envelope that I've covered with Steph's papers, and that's the top of it. Some writing space here. This is from a die cut from one of the front leaves that I cut round and popped on there. Another little pocket here. I love this. The colours in that, just amazing. This is another little pocket here. A little tag that comes out of there I've just added some embellishments. Some writing space. This flips out to give you more writing room. Another little tag here. This is one of Steph's. Just take that out of there. Steph tag. I've used a little bit of the papers from the kit as well, just to make that little pocket there. As you can, I've left quite a few things not stuck down so that you can put things wherever you wanted. So if you wanted to transfer it into some of the blank pages at the back, you could do. Another Steph's pages. And we're on to the second signature. Lovely image there. Very vibrant. And obviously two of Steph's pages here. Large journaling card there. A tag here that I've stuck down. I made it into a little tuck spot there. Some ruffle that I've made from the same fabric as the cover. This is from the kit. I've never actually worked with a kit before that's simply been like background papers, and I actually really enjoyed doing it. Trying to get everything to coordinate. I've stitched some orange paper onto this book page. Another of Steph's papers here. You do get quite a lot with the kit. It's amazing how much you get for what you would just consider, you know, background papers. And this is from the kit as well, little journaling card. It's quite a strange picture, but it goes in well with the colours. So, journaling card. A tag from the kit. This is the same image as what's on the front of the journal. Let me see if I can open this one better than I did the last one. My fumbly fingers. This is an envelope from the kit. There are a few bits and pieces left over, and I will be including them. This is a lovely, lovely page here again from the kit. Little tuck spot here. This is also something that I will be adding in. It's one of Steph's little folders. I've put some ephemera in there, both from the kit, the tag and the journaling card. I've just added some of the gold lace on there in a little image. I'll pop that in there as well. Just a little tag here with a handmade flower and a little button. Flips out. These have actually turned out quite well printed onto a bright paper. I was a bit, you know, sceptical whether they'd look okay, but I do actually like them. And then we come to this. So I've just fussy cut an image out, put it onto some paper there. I made it into a little tuck spot. And there's also a pocket at that side as well. This is Steph's paper and one of her journaling cards as well there. It's the middle of the second signature using Steph's images there, paper should I say, and there's also a little tuck spot there as well, tuck pocket on there, leave that in there. Image. I've just made it into some writing space. Tuck spot here. And here. A little tuck spot there. This flips out. This is one of Steph's envelopes. I've just added some detailing on there and on the other side. And then here, this are both from the kits. Can't get that back in now. Just leave that there. Just a little tack there. Another little pocket here. One of Steph's tags that I've just embellished. I'll put onto some hand-dyed paper. Another little tag here, both which are Steph's. You do get a lot in the kits, as I said. Here, more of Steph's papers. And I've just made this into a little tuck spot there, and then some writing space on the back as well. Lovely image there. And then this slides up and down. Here, just embellished this, put it on some sari silk, a little bit of gold lace here, ribbon should I say, and a little bit of lace. And then we have one of Steph's tags. And then we've come to the end of the second signature. This flips out, so it's more writing space. And then we come to the back that I've shown before, where it's all hand-dyed papers. There we go. So as I say, you can either add things in here yourself, you know, ephemera, or just use it as journaling space. And we've come to the end. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Steph for letting me use her papers. There will be a link below that will take you to Steph's shop on Etsy, where you can purchase the papers. She does have some wonderful kits, so I hope you'll go and take a look. This will be on Etsy later today, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.